In maths, we learn how to measure, and we learn how to measure in different ways and how to measure different things. We've learned about measuring length from one endpoint to another. We've learned about how to measure area, the inside of a 2D shape or inside a boundary. How much space we can cover in that region is measuring area. We've learned how to fill containers to measure volume and capacity. What else can we learn about measuring? I can see a clue just here to help us. We can learn about measuring mass, not maths. Mass. It's a different word. Mass is talking about weighing things, using words like heavy and light. This picture might be able to help you understand about mass a little bit more. This sort of looks like a seesaw. When would we need to learn about measuring mass, though? Let's take a look together. I can see somebody on a set of scales. Scales are a tool that tell us how heavy we are. This person looks like they might be on the scales to find out how heavy they are. The doctors might sometimes use scales to find out how heavy you are if you need to visit them. They might need to know how heavy you are to check if you're growing. They might need to know how heavy you are to see how much medicine you need for how much you weigh. I can also see somebody doing some baking again. We use mass and measuring mass when we cook or bake. Down the bottom here, I can see somebody at the post office. They might be posting a letter or a package. The post office worker weighs the envelope or the package to find out how heavy or light it is. That then tells them how much you need to pay to send that package or letter in the post. And last down here, I can see a set of scales being used at a grocery shop. These are at the self-service register on the way out where you pay. If you have apples or meat, sometimes you need to sit them on the scales to find out how much they weigh, and that then tells the computer that you need to pay a certain amount. If you have one apple, it might only cost a little bit, but if you have lots of apples, it might cost more. Measuring mass is an important skill in mathematics, and it's another way of measuring, so we need to know how to do it.